I recently got to try out a new product that's going to completely change the game when it comes to your paint projects. It's called the Paint Syringe, and it's one of those products that after you try it for the first time, you're gonna be like, where has this thing been all my life? It is that amazing. Stick around, I'm gonna show you how it works.
I'm going to show you what this is all about, how easy it is to use, and how easy it is to clean. First off, it's got some markings on the side here so that you can use it for exact measurements, or even some standard cup sizes are printed on there. And it's got a nice wide nozzle, which allows for you to pull even the thickest paint through with less force. Now let's get into how to use it. First, you'll take the rubber gasket and you're going to roll or dip it into the paint just a little bit to lubricate it. And then we're going to put it back into the paint syringe, the barrel portion. Then you're just going to screw the cap on, lock it into place. And next, insert the nozzle into the paint and just pull the handle up to draw the paint into the barrel of the syringe. Now, when you're carrying the paint from the can into the tray, or even just carrying it around the room, it's a good idea to hold it upside down like this so that the paint stays in the barrel and doesn't drip out. And then when you're ready, just turn it back over and start pushing the plunger. Once you've got all of the paint transferred into the tray, then I'm just going to take a little brush, wipe off the nozzle a little bit, and then I'm going to store it right here on top of the paint can until I need some more. And it's actually designed to lay just like this to keep the paint from dripping out. And now this is my favorite part. It dispensed the exact amount of paint that I needed to fill up that reservoir in my paint tray perfectly. And now that the paint tray is filled up, you could go ahead and get your painting done, and it just makes it so much faster and easier for you. And now that it's refill time, let's just take the paint. Again, we're going to transfer it from the can into the tray. So easy with no mess at all. It's always been so annoying whenever you have to pour the paint from the can and the paint drips all the way down the side of the can and just makes a mess all in the rim. Even those pour spouts that you buy that you can put on just never worked. The rim was always such a mess, and then it gets rusted over time. This is so much cleaner and easier. Now let's check out how easy it is when you're using cups for your paint projects. Usually when I have to pour from a full can of paint into a tiny target like a cup, it is such a sketchy moment. And there has been a time or two where I have made a mess. But yeah, not anymore. This made it so much easier. It was perfect. Now let's talk about cleanup, because that's super easy too. You can do it under a faucet or outdoors with a hose like I'm doing here, and we're just gonna blast all that paint right out of there. And of course, it just washes right off of the plunger as well. And here's another little cleaning tip for you. We're gonna put some water straight into the nozzle with the plunger intact, and I'm just gonna cover the nozzle with my finger and I'm gonna give it a good shake, and that's gonna get all of that paint washed off the sides there. And that's it. It is all clean. That took under 2 minutes just with water. So easy. And then check this out. They even allow you to lock the plunger onto the barrel so that you can store it easy. So there you have it. That is the Paint Syringe in all its glory. I am blown away with how good this product works. I think every DIYer, homeowner, or even professional painter should add one of these to your toolkit. Let me know if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.